Hey guys, it's Strykar and me and Chance just got to the Salvation Army. Sorry, a little correction there. We love going to the Salvation Army just because it's probably the cleanest and neatest thrift store in our area. Plus, it's pretty big. So we're gonna go in and hopefully come out pretty stinking successful, because why wouldn't we want to come out successful? We'll head to the Goodwill if we don't come out with anything good from here, but I'm sure we will. So yeah, I hope you guys are in for the journey. If you want to come thrifting with us, then just keep on watching.
This is actually kind of hard. I don't know. Why does this look like the most comfortable thing in 2K? Cute. I kind of like it. I don't know.
Women's clothing vintage.
Can I make this cute?
Yeah, on you for sure.
Thanks. I don't know why I'm looking in this category.
Yeah, that's hard.
This is lame. Lame. Have not found anything. Found like 3 things we might like. So yeah, shot thrift store number 1 was not very good. I don't know. It was a I'm so sad. What the are these?
These are my raping pants.
What? This is kind of cool.
Maybe.
It's Levi.
Yeah, that's nice.
This is so cute. I'm getting it. Yeah, I know. I want to come across something hard. No! No!
What?
You're joking.
Pillowcase for pain.
Hey guys, what's up? Right now is a week later from whenever we originally went to the thrift store. Actually, last time that we were here at the thrift store, we forgot the camera at home, so we were just like recording on both of our phones, and then our phones had died, and we literally didn't even have a good trip to the thrift at all. So today we're gonna try again. Hopefully we can get in there and get some good deals. Today's half off Wednesday, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, we're just gonna go in, go shopping, so you might as well just keep on watching for our second trip to the thrift. It's $15. I just found a green one over there and it was $29. That is like so tiny. So cute if this fits me. I want like a pair of jeans that fit me well and not like just to buy. So I'm not just gonna like buy stuff to buy it, you know? You're kidding. You're kidding.
It's okay, bro. Is that you?
No. Should not have come down this way. Actually, wait, are these pants? Ah, they're not.
Those are pillowcases.
Bro, kind of confused. Not really
Can you
interested.
name these flags? Which one was that one?
Italy, America. What is that? I want plaid pants. Oh. Like like dress pants like these, but skinny and they fit my leg. That's kind of hard for real, but not for $10. A pattern like that is kind of cool, but like maybe good sweaters. Good sweaters.
I love it. You should get it.
You're funny. I'm not too big. My bum is little. A little bitty bum. I want plaid pants. So bad. Black pants, where are you?
This is hard.
My whole life up.
Show them off.
Come on now, man. Sleeping these for date. They are way too big. That kind of baby. Is that wrong? Maybe that'll be good. I don't know.
Did you like them?
I love sweatpants. You are. Camo. That's actually kind of hard. It is hard for. It's too big though. I think I just messed up my lipstick, did I?
No.
These are actually like hard. Like, should I get them? Only thorough lookers find good.
So I picked up this super cute oversized beige striped t-shirt. I think it was like a large or an extra large, but I just really love that gold collar to it and then the buttons down the middle. And overall, I think this was like $2, so I thought it was a steal. I'm not really into dark denim, but what really caught my eye with this jacket is the furry inside, which keeps me so warm. Plus, it's a Levi's, so I basically fell in love with it at this point, and the dark denim is really growing on me, so I just couldn't pass it up. I've sort of been into red lately, but even more so I've been looking for that checkered pattern, and I came across this shirt and the tag even said official racewear, so couldn't pass it up, you know? I had my eye out for like a cropped hoodie of some sort, and this was just like a light beige color. I thought it would match a lot of stuff, so I grabbed it. These jeans were just a little bit too big on me, but I couldn't pass them up because they have this super cute vintage feel to them. Plus, I really love that color, but from when I recorded this to now, I already have holes cut into them and everything, and they look even cuter. These looked like super comfy sweatpants, plus I love the faux red stripe that made them look like Adidas. But they're from Wet Seal, so yeah, shout out Wet Seal, I miss you. I was looking for new sweatpants on this trip to the thrift, and I didn't come across a whole lot of them, but I found this super cute all black pair with the red stripes at the bottom. They're Adidas, they're swishy, I like them a lot, had to cop them. I really love cardigans, and this one had super cute elbow patches on it, and I love the color as well, but the way that I paired it up with this outfit in this video did not do it justice. Super cute, oversized sweatshirt. It has the American Eagle on it and it says United States of America. I love the shade of heather gray and it's super comfy. And that's all I got for this video. Thanks for watching.